Hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to prepare some meat with onions. It's the cheapest meat there is for ossobuco and it always turns out good and fast. Fast, I mean that you don't have to do much. Just put it there, mix it, and yeah, that's it. Well, first we are going to take the meat out of that package, put it in a cheese roll, casserole, and we're gonna wash it. Wash it well. Once we are done washing the meat, we're going to put a little bit of water in the cheese roll and let it boil to the breaking point. While the meat is cooking, we're going to wash and cut the onions. I always put a lot of onions so that when it cooks a lot, it turns into a nice sauce that's really good, with the meat obviously. It's best to use the white onion than the colored onion because they have a different taste. I pick the biggest onions. This recipe is really easy and it can go with rice, mashed potatoes, couscous, whatever you'd like. Okay, let's wash the onions. Now we cut the onions in cubes.
Make the ground shake.
There, cut the onions. The most important fact, I don't put salt in my meat because I put soy sauce that already has salt, and so that it's not over salted, I put it at the end. Inside of the bone, which looks like meat or something, I take it out for my dog. Now we wash the cheese roll, casserole, coats bowl, casserole, whatever. Let's put the meat in the casserole and add a bit of oil, a bit of water, and all the cubes of onions. Tap it. Okay, let's look at our meat. It turned out this color because of the onions. At the bottom, the sauce is really cooked. Now let's add a little bit more water, but not too much, like a trickle. We leave it for 5 more minutes and then we turn it off. And we're done. You can put more salt if you think it needs more. If you're a salty person. Ha! Get it? This is how our dish turned out, served with beetroot salad and pickled eggplant. We're going to show you how to make pickled eggplant in the next video. As you can see, I like the dish very much, but I don't like eggplant. So yeah, I didn't eat any. If you have a dog, feel free to give them the extra bones. It's okay. Well guys, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!